participating in a local volunteer event in partnership with Clean the World, and we are working to get our United products together with other products for those in need in the local community.
United provides the amenity kits that are placed in their first class and business class cabins, and in that is several items that are being repurposed, such as towelettes, combs, toothpaste, toothbrush, and other items that are built into these kits, which are part of a hygiene kit that gets donated to various organizations.
So when the aircraft comes in, and when the crew's going to clean it, what they do is they separate the amenity kits, the used and the unused. They put it in a separate bag, then they bring it to the warehouse.
So at the warehouse, when the kids come off the aircraft, we work to make sure that only amenities that are already packaged and haven't been opened or used get donated, and we separate those out, and we make sure that they're ready for collection for Clean the World.
Here at United, we truly believe that whenever we could reuse, repurpose, and recycle something, we're all for it. And so preventing this material from going into the landfill is really the #1 objective. You know, we want to cut down our landfill footprint.
Our team that's here today is here from across the country, from all 7 of our domestic U.S. hubs. This year, we're building over 45,000 new kits.
The volunteers that come in, and we do get about 15,000 a year that join us, they are there to separate the items. They place them in different containers that are marked with a specific item. From there they get weighed and they get put on an inventory to where they will eventually be sent out to be part of these kits.
These products will go directly to our food pantries, our soup kitchens, and our shelters, which will go directly to our clients in the community that need these products.
Our team is just incredibly passionate about our partnership with Clean the World because it gives us an opportunity to get involved in our local communities and an opportunity to give back.
It's a pleasure just to be able to do something great for the city and something that I know will impact people who are in need here.